side. You know what I'm saying? Boy, yeah. My boy done came all the way from NYC, baby.
I'm here, nigga. I'm at Cycle Gear right now. Tap in, you heard? Yeah.
There's some more members pulling up. Don't worry about it. You'll see when they touch down. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all. Okay. Okay. Talk nice. We here, baby. Cycle Gear. Let's get right. Where y'all two-stroke at? Two-stroke oil? And SC1 if you got any SC1.
They got me all the way in Ohio. They got tires. They got everything. What's good ahead?
I told you. It's up.
They did one of these in New York, you heard? They got tires and all that. Everybody from New York, we got pull up.
You got, appreciate it. You got Caster? Caster 927?
Yeah, correct.
Yep.
Boom.
Lita.
They got you get a liter. How many lines is this?
That's two of them small ones that you be getting. There's the one in between the mini one, 4 ounces or whatever, 6 ounces.
You don't put this in your bike, man. You riding around on the lemon. I'm just letting y'all know. How you feel about that?
He ain't lying. That's the crazy part.
I don't ride two-stroke.
Oh wow, he a 4-stroke. Yo,
You're not stepping correct. You're not stepping correct.
Yo,
on top.
show Lee. This your man right here. He on a 4-stroke. You heard?
Yep.
His bike go broom broom.
I got an FZ 1000.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, you lit.
So you about to ring us up and give us your discount? I'm just making sure I heard that correctly.
You be hearing wind or something.
Nah, we gonna put you on YouTube. Don't worry about it. We're gonna blow this store up.
I don't need you on YouTube.
You own this store or nah?
No.
Well, y'all need to step correct. Holla at my boy. You know what I'm saying? He got the, what's this? Built? Yeah, I ain't never been here.
Bro, you could have let me get my
Facts, we outside.
niggas is bugging.
Alright, we about to go back to the B&B and check in. How long you need to check in?
I don't even know. I'm probably just checking a little bit. And I'll fuck around and just wait for them niggas to link up. And then we can all link up.
Wait for all them? I think Sean off right now. I'm about to call that nigga.
Yeah, call them or whatever. What I'm about to say, I'm about to go to the B&B real quick. Boom. I'm about to go to the B&B. Get settled down real quick. I'm trying to take like a 30-minute nap. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even go to sleep yesterday. That was a goal that they did that?
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna lie. I'm trying to take a nap. Let them niggas get here. And it's off.
I got one of them in location. I don't know if it's... Chowdy!
I'm trying to
Answer the phone. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we, yeah.
Yeah.
We, I'm about to go get the Atlanta niggas. My boy Tony, my boy Lee. My boy Tony, my boy Lee, my boy Q. I'm looking like, where y'all shit at, man? What's the deal, baby?
What's up, bro?
Where y'all at? I had to light the block up, let y'all niggas know I was home. These niggas ain't ready to ride, man.
What's up, bro?
What the deal? Oh, yeah, Gabe, come on, man.
Hey, I'm thinking about moving the trailer over.
Over there?
Like move it over so they can get out. What's good?
Come on down.
Shit.
Yes, Sirski.
You're upstairs.
Nigga, where Leak at?
In the house.
You ready to ride, man, or what?
Yeah, man. Look, young Gabe Lee. Look, oh, that boy coming through.
Keep turning it.
Yeah, keep going.
Nigga pop out the corner with the fucking camera. What the deal, man?
That is gay.
How's the ride?
When Pop Out Gabe is in the fam, bitch, I got to subscribe to my voice feed.
Start straightening it up now, bro.
I'm ready. Shit, it's fucking hot. Y'all niggas better take this off.
Yeah, I'm about to put my clothes on.
He gonna faint. He gonna faint doing that shit. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all get this recorded. Wrist speed motherfuckers. Any part of the team.
What you at, half a turn?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I mean, this is what I ride on normally. That's what I ride on normally. I don't make no adjustments until my shit fuck up.
What is doing? Sputtering?
Nah, high gears, that bitch bogging.
You probably getting too much gas or something.
Yeah, cause it's not sputtering now. No, what's it called?
It's bogging up top. You get too much gas.
Getting too much gas.
Yeah. I mean, I ain't really tripping because that was like 4th gear that I was doing that, so I ain't about to touch 4th gear.
At the house?
Yeah.
Hello. What's good, gangy?
Tell you.
That's my boy. What y'all niggas got going on, man?
I'm to touch down in your city, bro.
You feel me? You got us coming to the southern part of our state.
You did.
You feel me?
What it is? Y'all niggas hungry? Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Taco truck right down the street, man.
You know, he trying to eat later.
Yeah, it's the yeah, you good.
Cause it's the first thing you got.
Okay. Fresh bar. Fuck you, mean.
I'm trying to see.
Motherfucking risky.
Trying to see.
Okay.
My shit ain't gonna lie.
Q, talk your shit.
My bad.
Come on, man. Big guy, I need sting real
What
thing
it
with
is?
it.
FSO_Q, baby.
FSOQ, man. Come on.
Follow him on the gram.
You feel me?
We got Leekio, LEEKI0, right?
Real one.
You
know
did. But Leak GT on the 2B, you feel me? My boy. That boy one Tony Stizzards. You know what I'm saying?
Go on some shit.
Follow him on the Grizzam. One Tony Stunts, you know what I'm saying? Push you to the lot right here.
Right out?
Yeah, right there. I'm about to take them to their B&B right quick and come right back. Tell that nigga, whoever was over there, tell him I'm gonna right back. I gotta take them. It ain't. I'm about to take them to their B&B. What happened to it?
He finna change the needle.
Too lean on the needle.
Turn the gas off.
I closed the sensor off. Yeah, it seems pretty sweet over here, I ain't gonna lie.
Cop was just right there.
Can you do nothing?
Nah, the nigga, he was behind y'all.
Swear.
I mean, he wasn't behind y'all, but
Yeah.
if he would've looked down this alley, he would've seen y'all.
Think he'll try some shit?
Nah, he might've came down here and just been like, don't ride on the street or some shit like that, but he already know what the deal is. I wouldn't sit in the alley like this, but we about to be in and out. What jet you got in there?
Shit.
What jet you got in there?
280.
What you running, huh?
280.
What?
No.
What you running, Tone?
I got 290 in my shit.
I got 280.
He got pods.
Oh, nah.
I got the that's why I got it open up like that though.
Nah.
I don't know, bro. I don't know about that one, dog.
You got pods,
I don't know
bro.
about that one.
My O2 run, my O2 got 280s at like 1.5 turn, but 2 turns, but this bike ain't used to that shit.
I'm not gonna lie, because the only reason I did that, I used to run V-Forces, but I got stop reason.
I ran when you was in the city, you ran straight.
Yeah, it was running fine.
It was really about the same temperature here.
It was just a
Needle.
yeah.
You think it's straight like that with the 280?
Here,
I mean I could go up on it. Yeah, appreciate it.
change that needle and I'm gonna throw it back in. Man, what's up with your joints, man?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, this shit. Oh, well, never mind. I'm tripping.
I mean, this house over here. This is tripping, guy.
Now it's gonna get bad. Hey! When the RPMs are coming down, let go of the clutch and gas it at the same time. The harder you go, the more it's going to turn. Watch. Just try it. Nah, you don't. Just don't jerk it. Don't give it hella gas if you don't want to come over. Just let the RPMs come down and it won't do nothing. Huh? You wanna keep watching? What, you wanna learn something?
She ain't ready. I'm ready to ride, bro.
You ready to ride? Alright. I just need gas.
Y'all ready? For 10 hours.
I didn't know you was ready.
I just got gas.
I'm about to go get gas. Hey, if you want, hold on. If you want action, point it at the plate. If you want action, call me. Just call me. Pull up. I'm here all night, man.
Where you at, Clay?